Welcome back. In part 2, you'll learn how to use your scissors like a razor to cut seamless layers, remove bulk, and achieve the same modern, head-hugging layered bob shape without picking up the razor. We start the same way. Apply a light moisture spray or serum to damp hydrated hair. This keeps the hair controlled and helps your scissors move cleanly through the section. We take our first section in the center back. I'm assessing the length in the crown zone and I'm using the length from the bottom of the crown as my guide. This keeps the layers longer and more seamless. With firm tension, I hold the section between my fingers. Now here's the key. I keep my scissors slightly open, and instead of closing and chopping, I use a gentle, controlled glide motion. I move the scissors up and down through the section, working from my guide towards the opposite fingers. Soft pressure, controlled movement. You're creating a result that mirrors a razor without removing your line or creating holes. To refine and remove bulk, I elevate the same section straight up and I work through the mid-lengths using the same open scissor glide. This melts out weight and collapses the triangle shape while keeping the haircut looking clean and intentional. Once the back zone is complete, we refine using horizontal sections to perfect the shape and remove any remaining bulk. Become a member for more in-depth education. Members get the full breakdown on pressure, tension, where to remove weight, and how to avoid over-texturizing. We are getting closer to our goal of 100k subscribers. And 90% of you who watch my channel aren't even subscribed yet. Lend us a hand and subscribe today. Now we move on to the side zones. Elevate the section 90 degrees towards the ceiling. Use the shortest length as your guide and continue layering as you work towards the face. This technique is perfect for clients who hate that heavy triangular bob shape. Removing weight and bulk through the interior allows the shape to sit closer to the head and it will grow out better. And just like the razor, you can push weight forward, back, up or down, depending on where you want movement and texture in the shape. Become a member and learn all the advanced techniques that will improve your hair cutting and refining. Mastering how to refine and personalize your haircuts will set you apart from the rest. Anyone can learn how to layer. Refining is pure artistry and your clients will feel the difference. Take your skills further. Join my membership program. Exclusive members only masterclasses. Invest in your skills today. Join now for instant access. Here's the layered bob diffused and air dried. The mannequin has a natural wave. And here's the layered bob flat wrapped. If you haven't watched part 1, the razor version, tap the link and watch that first. Otherwise, you're ready for part 3, where we move into the front and bring the whole shape together. Tap the link to watch next. Alright, layers are in, bulk is collapsed, and the shape is hugging the head. Next is the step that makes it look expensive, the perimeter. Jump to part 3, razor bob haircut tutorial. Soft texture without losing the line. That's part 2 done. Now go to part 3. razor bob haircut. Soft texture without losing the line.